Qlicksmart SnapIT Ampoule Opener. The SnapIT is a safe and reusable tool designed by an Australian nurse to minimise injuries and waste caused by breaking open glass ampoules. A recent study found that 90% of nurses have experienced an injury from opening ampoules, with nearly 40% of nurses reporting more than one injury within 6 months. The SnapIT eases anxiety when opening ampoules and protects you from ampoule injuries. Here's how to use the SnapIT. Glass ampoules can be scored all around the neck as indicated by a band, or are scored on one side as indicated by a dot. Insert the head of the ampoule into the SnapIT, aligning the dots if present. Once locked in, you can now open the ampoule by snapping away. The head remains inside the SnapIT. This can be discarded by pressing the eject rod over a sharp spin. Here is how to clean the SnapIT Ampoule Opener. Remove the O-ring from the SnapIT. We recommend using a paper clip, and remove the keyring attached to the eject rod. Pull out the rod and spring and clean as necessary. The SnapIT can be cleaned using most medical grade disinfectants. You can now reassemble the SnapIT, ready to open more ampoules. Sometimes there are bad ampoules. If the ampoule head shatters inside the SnapIT, then be thankful that it didn't shatter in your hand. Carefully hold the SnapIT over a sharp spin and pull the eject rod a few times to dislodge any broken shards. Make sure that you clean the SnapIT carefully and wearing gloves. Once cleaned, you are safe to reuse the SnapIT to open ampoules. Replacement O-rings are available for purchase.